Hi, this is Saiyan the Disguise. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am unboxing Dragon Stars series. Ultra Instinct Goku. As you can see, he's right here. I've already cut the tape so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me tape it. Well, I don't think that's really going to help at all. Anyway. I don't know if you want to look at the back, but the back has this. You make the old Broly if you collect all those. And there he is again. Alright. Let me put this thing out of here. Let's see here. Oh! Hand came flying off at me. Okay, now. You know the battle has to be very bad if they send you Broly's arm. You know the battle had to be very bad if they, hey yo, we blew his arm off, here you go. You know, and it comes with a extra hand. Let's try it this way. Here we go. Extra hand. And I think the extra hand goes to Broly. Plus Goku, you can tell that they go to him because he has these little teeny tiny hands. And here's another one. And now for I only have one question though. Why is Goku's hair silver? It's supposed to be white or black white. But yeah, here's Goku. And now I'm going to lower the camera closer to the table. Standing up. Probably won't be able to see him. He might be pretty far away since he's, you know, way back here, but his shoulders go up about this far. His arms bend in pretty far, more than 90 degrees. Same thing with the others. Same thing with the other side. Holy crap! Look at that. Yeah, you want to take me out? Yeah. No. Anyway, I don't play with toys, but still, his waist goes back and forth. Can go all the way around, which he's probably dead now because I just twisted all his organs. His head goes up and down. They don't really stay that way. They pop back into place. But actually, if you know, his head has a joint here. And his neck has a joint, so you can get more range of movement with the piece. Plus, his legs open up about that far. I know Super Android 13 pretty much got in there. He found out how much Goku's legs spread. But his legs, he can do a full split, which I don't think Goku really can do a split. Ooh, these are stiff. His legs bend about that far. Pop those back out there. The feet, they twist all the way around. Now both of his ankles are broken. They also pivot up and down on both sides. Now, back up. I'm outside on the side porch, so you're probably gonna be hearing like all kinds of noises. But that's Ultra Instinct Goku. I'm Saiyan the Disguise. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one.